Two men believed to have been electrocuted were found dead at a site at Jalan Kampung Semalau, Tanjung Manis, near Sarikei Friday morning. The Borneo Post reported that the men are believed to have been electrocuted after a part of an excavator, which they were transporting on board an 8-wheeler lorry, struck the overhead power cable. The Fire and Rescue Department received a distress call about the incident at 9:15 a.m. and dispatched firefighters from the Tanjung Manis station to the scene. The paramedics on site pronounced the two men who were lying by the roadside dead. One of the men was identified as 61-year-old lorry driver Sarikei. The other victim, the attendant, was an Indonesian national. The firefighters took about half an hour to put out the flame and ended the operation around 11 a.m. after they were satisfied that the situation was under control. The Fire and Rescue Department said the cause of deaths and fire have not been ascertained and that police and Sarawak Energy Berhad are conducting the investigation.